2018 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, leather shift knob. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.